Welcome everybody, Mike Metherell here, Traders Hideout, live scalping session, September 17th, 2012. Yesterday we had a pretty good day on our scalping session inside 15 minutes. Okay, just a quick announcement, we should be having a beta version coming out hopefully later on tonight or tomorrow morning. So for all of you that have been waiting patiently for the beta, it is due. So if it's not tonight or tomorrow, it's going to be in the next 48 hours that we're going to start releasing the beta modules. And if you haven't signed up for the beta testing, just make sure that you either give me a heads up on the platform or on YouTube. Just write me a quick note, or on Google Plus, do plus Mike Metherell, or send me a tweet at Traders Hideout. And I'll be sure to add you to the beta testers list. Let's get started. We got a clean board after yesterday's transactions. Let's bring up euro dollar, 15-minute chart. We got about 37 pips up and down, and we're a little bit on the upside. You can see this little trend here. We can graph this. It does seem like we have room for around around 9 pips up or so. Let's bring up the 1-hour chart, see if we can make something out of that. On the 1-hour chart, it does look like we're trying to reach new highs. Okay, after yesterday, we had some really impressive moves. So let's do a quick buy. For those of you who are not from the US, you could go ahead and do a hedge if you like. I'm going to be doing 3 multiple positions for the up. I'm favoring the upside a little bit right now, so I'm going to do a submit plus on 2 orders. On 3 orders, sorry, and on the sell, I'm going to do 2 orders. So I'm going to do submit plus as well. So that way I created myself a hedge. So this way, if it goes both ways, okay, right now the buy that we did, we got 2 pips profit on that right now. So I'm going to keep this open right here. Okay, I do think that we have room for both ways right now, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to keep that chart opened up. And let's bring up the pound dollar. And there's the pound dollar. Pound dollar does seem like there is some, it did come back a little bit. It seems to be lagging. It should be up around 10 pips or so. This might be a little bit of a longer term, but it is not the way that the euro dollar is. And yesterday we saw that the pound is actually not too far off from the euro. So we should be seeing, okay, on the left you can see the euro dollar, and on the right you can see the pound dollar. Okay, so let me just get out of this. There we go. So you can see that the pound dollar does have some room to catch up. So I'm going to do 2 orders for that on the pound dollar. And did I close my portfolio? I did not. Just to make sure. And I'm going to do submit plus. Again, I'm going to keep this screen open here. There's our order right here. Okay, on that euro dollar, I'd like to be catching those 2 sell, close them off, and then let that buy go. Initially, I should have probably just, hindsight, I should have probably just do a buy and let it go, close them up. Okay, but we'll see how we go. No, I might even close these right now. Let's see. Let's bring up the chart again. Okay, this might be a good time to close. Yeah, I'm going to close these up right here. I'm going to close these two. And we should be seeing the upside a little bit now. And let's keep that open. And let's bring up Dollar Loon, USD CAD. For those of you on YouTube that like to chat with us, feel free to use the right hand comment box on the top right hand side. Sorry. Looks like on the dollar CAD we have some sort of a support. This is really interesting. Yeah, there's just not too many pips here. The chart looks nice, but the problem is that if you take a look at the average pips, it's just not worth it. The risk reward ratio is not worth it. So I'm not going to touch that one. Let's bring up the dollar yen. Okay, same thing with the dollar yen. We got 8 pips, 8 pips, 8 pips, 4 pips. It's just not enough. Just not enough. Okay, we're just going to keep these open here. Okay, another quick reminder for those of you who are joining us, you haven't signed up for the beta testing yet. We should have something coming up in the next 24 to 48 hours. We're going to start releasing modules, so you'll be able to start trading on the web platform, which is going to be really cool. And towards the end of the month, you'll be able to test it on Android and iPads, iPhones, so on and so forth. I just got myself here a new just a second. For the testing, I got myself a MacPad. So I'm going to be, I'm still unboxing it right now. So I'm going to be testing the new platform on this. And actually, it's going to be really cool because basically you'd be able to run the trading platform on pretty much any device. So pretty cool stuff. So we're very excited about it. We worked really, really hard on it. Okay, so I'm excited with this new thing. I promised myself not to buy an Apple product, and I'm okay with Mac. All right, we'll keep this open. Quick reminder for this evening, the live trading session, normal live trading session, 10 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And for those of you who are we're on the beta list. If you're not on the beta list, ask us to be added, and we'll send you all the information that you need as we bring it out. Okay, there's not too much going on right now. You can see that the pound dollar is being hammered a little bit. Maybe we need to open up. Yeah, I might double up right now, actually. I'm going to double up on the buy for the pound dollar. So I'm going to do another submit plus. Okay, I'm just buying more. Okay, now notice I didn't double up. I just added 2 more orders. Okay, doubling up means that I would actually do 4 orders instead of the 2. But I just averaged it because I do think it's going to go up. Okay, just gonna let this run, and actually we're gonna call it a session. There's not too much going on right now aside from that euro dollar. We got those two closed ones. We just wanted to catch it on the bottom side, and actually, we could have kept it, but that's okay. We're just gonna leave this open a little bit and see what happens tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see you this evening in the evening session. This is Mike Metherow for Traders Hideout. May the profits be with you, and make sure that you ping me up to make sure that you're on the beta testers list. Have a super day. Bye for now.